Hey guys, Sinister with the Drone Network coming at you. We got another episode of What's in the Package. This is, we ordered 3 items from Amazon last week. Jack had a birthday last month. And so now we are getting ready to unbox some of the stuff we got from Amazon. So without further ado, let's get into this box and see what's going on. Away from yourself. There you go. See that, guys? Like a champ. Okay? Alright, now, there you go. But
whatever.
alright, what do we got in there? What is that? Let's see. Oh, that is the SQ12. Look at that, getting ready for some FPV footage, huh?
I need this sucker again.
Make sure it's coming out the right way. There you go. Look at that. Pretty
Okay.
cool little camera, huh?
So, we've got
Looks like your audio cables. Those will come in handy.
your clips, charger,
USB dongle, okay.
your clip,
Okay.
your mount, clip, and mount. Now let's
Okay.
get into the real camera. What could this be?
We already know what it is, Jack.
No, it's magnetic.
No. Here. Let's see, it's got a little protective cover on it for the camera portion of it. Okay, this right here.
It's hard here.
No, I got it.
Okay.
Okay. And you have the camera itself. Can I pop it out of there? Let's see.
Can it be used without being on a like?
Well, yeah, this is going to go in your session mount when you get Letty here. You guys don't know, we got Letty coming. It's a 5-inch LHI
not
build from
Letty.
MD95
It's
TSI.
Roadburn.
Yeah, he's going to change it to what? What are you going to change?
Roadburn.
Oh, okay. Well, very cool. Wednesday, we're supposed to be having 2 other items shit.
I have a question.
Will come. We'll question after the video, Jack.
I want them to
Alright.
do.
No, we'll talk about it. Alright, guys. Thanks for tuning in. So, this is SQ12. So, yeah. Alright, guys. We'll see you next video.